Hi, this is Mabwit, and I created the hydro test site geocache. And the first thing that you have to do is obtain exactly 1 gallon of water. And so I need to find a gallon of water somewhere around here. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my 1 gallon, exactly 1 gallon of water. The next thing that you have to do is take off the caps. We have a green cap and a yellow cap. The red cap does not come off, so please don't try to take off the red cap. So with these off, you begin pouring water into the green side. And as you pour water in, you'll see water's running out the bottom. So we have to close this valve. With that valve closed, we had some more water. Oh, now it's coming out down here. So what we have to do is put the yellow cap right here to catch that water and stop it from coming out. Start the process again. Oh, now it's coming out down here. So we have to close this valve. Try it again. Oh, it's coming out the front. Let's cap that with the green one. One more time. This is going to do it. Pour in the water. Well, it's coming out the top. There's no cap here, so we just have to close the valve. I don't think we have enough water to finish this, but let's give it a try. So what do you know? And there it is, the geocache. So the next, when you're all done and you sign the log, don't forget to bring your pen. When you sign the log, then you have to open up all the valves to drain the system for the next geocacher. So we'll take this off down here. Open up these valves. Reset the caps. Open this valve. And put the official jug back on the stake. And don't forget to put the logbook back in. And that's the hydro test station.